Write the first 6 terms for the sequence a sub n, starting with n equals 1, where a sub n is defined to be 1 over n factorial. We start with the index n equals 1. When n equals 1, a sub 1 is 1 over 1 factorial, which is 1. A sub 2 is 1 over 2 factorial, 1 half. A sub 3 is 1 over 3 factorial, 1 over 6. A sub 4 is 1 over 4 factorial, 1 over 124. A sub 5 is 1 over 120. And a sub 6 is 1 over 720. A sub n is given by the function 1 over n factorial. So to obtain the terms a sub n, we plug in the input n. Another example, the sequence a sub n, where c sub n is pi, at n go from 1 to infinity. The function that represents c sub n is pi, which is a constant function. So a sub 1 is pi, a sub 2 is pi, a sub 3 is pi, a sub n is pi, and so on. This sequence can be listed at pi, comma pi, comma pi, dot dot dot, and so on. Another example, the sequence d sub n as n go from 3 to infinity, where d sub n is ln of n minus 1 over n minus 2. We start with the index n equals 3. D sub 3 is ln of 2 over 1. D sub 4 is ln of 4 minus 1, which is 3 over 4 minus 2, which is 2. D sub 5 is ln of 4 over 3. D sub 6 is ln of 5 over 4, and so on. Starting with n equals 3, we obtain the first 6 terms. These can be rewritten as ln of 2 minus ln of 1. D sub 4 is ln of 3 minus ln of 2. D sub 8 is ln of 7 minus ln of 6, and so on. In fact, ln of n minus 1 over n minus 2 is ln of n minus 1 minus ln of n minus 2.